Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. On this vlog, I'm going to share with you guys closet organization. I've done so many of these videos. Hi Bubs. I'm babysitting my nephew, my godchild, and my goddaughter. And he's hitting me. He's all happy. I love you. And Rosie, so 3 kids watching. My sister is here and brother-in-law, but my sister is wanting to go through my closet. So last night she went through my closet. Then we went to Marshall's and Ross and bought baskets. So I'm going to show you guys those today. Then she's going to finish organizing today because they leave tomorrow, which is really sad, but they leave tomorrow. So we're going to show you guys what she wants to do because my sister's so good with organizing. Hi, Brayden. My sister's so good with organizing that she just came in and knew what to do, went through the closet. This needs to go. This can be for a later time. This is fall. This is winter. She knows what to do. And then I also did a Target order. So we're going to do a Target pickup in a little bit of what I need to get for some tubs under the bed. Hi, Rosie. And so I just wanted to say hi. And then I'm going to start getting into things. So, what, baby? I'm going to start getting into things. I just wanted to do a little intro before you guys are like, what's happening? And then my sister and I are going to show you guys what we got at Dillard's clearance the other day. I thought that'd be fun. A little Dillard clearance haul with organizational. I said, we have to do a vlog together, Des, because you're here in town. So every time she's in town, I'm going to make that an effort. And we'll show you guys our fashion finds and how much we bought items for. And just, that's what we love doing. We've always loved shopping. And Brayden is shutting the door on me. Bubba's! Hi! So yeah, let me go in and show you guys some baskets, and then I'm going to do some plugins of what I found yesterday, and also Destiny kind of going through some clothes yesterday as well. So let me show you these beautiful baskets. Yeah, guys, she's making a mess. I have piles. Okay, so we bought these 3 baskets, and then we bought that one, which is very cool because you can open it for Rosie's toys. And then these ones are really good prices at Ross. $9.99. Let's see here. $14.99. And then we have $19.99. So I feel like we scored really good. And then these ones were only, let me see here, $12.99 at Marshall's, I think. Yeah. So we'll show you the final outcome. What she does. Okay, vlog. Here she is trying to put sweaters in these 3 bins we got from Target. Yeah, that's fine, Des. And we're putting all these sweaters in bins and then going to put them underneath the bed. Okay, that was her idea. So they're not in my closet. Okay, and then Rosie. We got this toy chest yesterday, so we can put those toys that were in there in here so it looks cleaner. So tomorrow I will finish cleaning that, but we're going to put those toys in there. And then I want to line her books up really nice and then vacuum it so it looks good. And then we'll put those bins underneath. So that's what she's doing right now. They fit, Des?
Yes, they do.
Then we have this big basket, this basket. So it's coming along. It really is. These are good ideas, though. got this cute Low Shack fancy top from Destiny. Another shirt to put in my collection. Oh, I haven't showed you guys all my stuff I got. Oh my gosh. Okay. We can do that right now. Should we do that right now? Okay, let's do that right now. The other day, we went to Dillard's clearance. I took Destiny, and she's literally in my room right now going through the toys. You need to see this. Hold up. A lid and a little kitty, and those clippers on the floor. She's going through Rosie's toys right now. Yeah, She's going through Rosie's toys. Does your sister clean your closets?
I know. But show me.
Okay, so now the kiddos are in the room, Rosie's room. But so we went to Dillard's clearance the other day, and I want to show y'all what we got. So Dillard's clearance is a really Dillard's like last chance store. They send things there, so that are super cheap. So I got this bodysuit T-shirt for only $7.99. That is so cheap. To prove it to you, I want to show I want Destiny to show you guys what she got too. $7.99. So this is what I needed. Another black tape. I got this long dressy skirt with like little pockets. It's Gianna Bini, size 0. Was $129. Got it for $14.99, guys. So this is stuff that is probably like on sale at Dillard's, and then it keeps going down and down and down, and it just gets so cheap. So $14.99. I got these adorable pants, flare pants. Look at this. Oh my gosh. These were $19.99. They were $178, and they are the brand Driftwood. So pretty. Look at their flare. What is it, baby? So cute. So I bought these. Blow dryer. Yeah, I got these the other day. This beautiful black kind of like silk-like dress, size 2, no, size small, was $129. Got it for $19.99. These are dills. This is Gianna Bini as well. I don't know how you say that. Gianna Bini from Dillard's. Black dress, you can never go wrong. This one, I will say right here, had a little slight defect. I need to just sew the strap. But other than that, it is so pretty. Look at this dress with gold jewelry. Slip-like dress. This was only $19.99. Sorry guys, it's loud, but it's fine. 69 bucks, and I got it for $19.99. Such a pretty dress. Really pretty dress. Okay.
You doing it?
They want to go in the basket.
You did it?
He did that yesterday. Yeah.
Good job. Are you doing his hair?
Okay. Then I got this pretty long skirt. $99, and guys, $7.99. I cannot believe it. It is so pretty. High with the little heel or boot. I can definitely see it. And I'm really only buying what works for me. Oh my gosh, these
Can I help you
kiddos.
too?
And then one more skirt for $7.99. I know. It was $198 for $7.99. The kiddos. Beautiful skirt. I'll try some of this on for you during the week coming up, but I just wanted to show you guys these really quick because I want Destiny to show you guys what she got. And then I got one more thing. These beautiful little heels. They are velour Lily Sito for Biani Ginia. What is this? Gianna Bini. I think that's how you say it. But they were $98, got them for $34. So we've been busy all day, and so the kiddos are getting sleepy now, and we're kind of doing this stuff just what we started yesterday, last night. But yeah, the kiddos are getting sleepy, and we're trying to put away the stuff that we can. But I wanted to show you guys this really quick, and I'll have Destiny show you guys what she got. She got like 2 shoes, pants, and one more item, just because I think they're so good to show y'all. Okay, we're gonna finish up here, and then she'll show you guys what she got. Okay, so it is 11. It is almost 11 p.m. and Destiny was attempting to clean the closet.
Literally.
She started it yesterday, last night, around 11 p.m. And then we're trying to finish it today, but today was so busy that we kind of did it. She got the whole idea of everything, so this is what she got at Dillard's clearance.
Okay. Some Free People sandals for like 38 maybe.
Leather though.
Leather. Yes.
And it was really hard. At Dillard's clearance, they didn't really have a lot of spring and summer shoes. It's more winter because they're kind of like a season behind.
Yeah.
So she found these really cute.
These are splendid, high-waisted.
Splendid. And they were how much?
These were $14.99.
They have
So
amazing deals for $14.99, $7.99, and then more prices can be a little higher. But we scored big time.
This is for Saint T. This was $7.99.
$7.99.
So cute.
And then we got the matching shoes. She got the Sage shoes as well. We both got them. Let me get my pair. Hold on.
So cute.
And
so Anthropology.
Yeah, and the best part is they came with like little strings. You can do like ballet style. But she took hers off, and you can do them both ways. I think that's really cute. And then she got these pants.
Yes, got one more pant, but they didn't fit me the way I wanted to.
So she gave them to me.
Because they fit her so
Voila. They're so cute. They're just a skies or blue brand, extra small, but they look like Western flary kind of
cute.
pants. So we scored really good, and we said it's a tradition now every time.
And then sister got me this little...
Oh yeah, we both got matching clips. I got her that for her birthday. Check my daughter. Okay, and that's what she got. But we said that's a tradition. Every time she comes to Texas, we're going there, just because they have such good deals. And even like I'm learning the Dillard's brands. We were used to Nordstrom's.
Yeah.
So going to Dillard's, I was like, wait, it's kind of like Texas Nordstrom's. So it was really cool. It's really cool learning the brands they have. But okay, I just wanted to show you guys what we got at Dillard's
Come
clearance.
here, Bubs.
Want to say hi to the vlog?
Come here, Bubba. Come here. Come here. Come here.
He's running. He's running. He's running. He's a happy boy.
He went shopping too.
Come here.
Come model. Let's model. Come on. Come here. Let's model. Right here. Let's model. Come here. Come here. Let's model.
He's a model boy.
Model right here. Model. Come on. Right here. Let's model.
He's looking
Let's
where to
say hi.
model.
Let's say hi. Hi and model. Say hi. Oh, you're so handsome.
He's smiling. He's gonna want the camera. He's a model boy.
He's a model.
How cute.
Okay, go play.
Say see you later in vlog.
Bye.
We'll see you in August. No, end of July. He's waving. Say bye.
Say
Wave. Wave. Say bye.
Bye.
He was literally waving right now.
Mwah.
Oh! Okay, guys. I'll see you guys in a little bit this week. My sister, brother-in-law, and the godkids leave tomorrow morning at 3 a.m. So, oh, he's waving still, Des? Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay, see you guys.